Guys, so today I'm going to show you how to connect this phone. First of all, let me tell you the name of the phone. This is Techno BG6 Guys, this is Techno BG6. So today you are welcome to Engineer Chinedu Christian Facebook page. Guys, don't forget to follow me on YouTube or TikTok. Guys, keep on following me on Facebook, more especially Get. So today I'm going to show you how to fix this light IC. Before this person bring his phone to me, he has first of all take the phone to another engineer, and when the person try his best, yet the phone is not yet to be working, so the person decided to bring the phone to me. Understand? Because the person said that there are people that directed him to me. Understand? Then when the person come, when the person came, I told him to relax, that his phone will be fixed. Understand? So guys, you can see this IC. You can see the IC that I'm showing you here. Understand? The IC that I'm pointing my picker now, that is the exact IC of this light phone. Understand? So what I mean by light IC is, even when you change screen to this phone, it will not be showing. It will be showing inside. Understand? So guys, watch how I change this IC. You get? Look at the phone here, the phone that I'm talking about. So now you can see the phone is now on it. Why? Because I changed this particular IC now, that makes the phone to be showing. Understand? So don't mind my camera. I'm trying to zoom the IC properly, but it's not zooming. Understand? So you can see the IC there anyway. Guys, keep on watching this video. Understand?
Because now only God go fit it goes here akagi. As you dey hustle and pray to God, oh my brother. Because now only Him go fit it goes here akagi. As you dey hustle and pray to God, oh my brother. Because now only Him go fit it goes here akagi. As you dey hustle and tight and pray, oh my brother. Because now only God go fit it goes here akagi. Another one he say, you won't be like Obi Kubana. Inje we go be jata di money, oh.